Here's a quick look at my drill press table. First, one of the features I put on was a magnet to hold the key, always out of my way. The other feature is a removable insert my fence is this, and it rides in the T-tracks. When you lock that down, it's solid. I can move the whole drill press around. Put it at angles if I have to. One of the features, it has a quick removable method like that. I also have a second fence that has runners on it for putting snug fit. With that feature, I can use my tape measure and get a distance from my drill bit by just reading the lines. To get that to be accurate, I have to set it up right. So a quick demonstration of how I set it up. I have 4 knobs on the bottom that allow this to slide on and off. So if I loosen those 4 knobs, that comes right off. I also have marked my post. I'll peek in there a little closer. On the back side with increments, so I know that my handle will clear anything that is roughly, let's say, 1.5 inches. I snug this down just enough to still be able to move the table. Slide my table back on. Get it roughly to the right front edge of this. Now on my inserts, I have lines on it that I put on using this hooked board. I go all the way around. It gives me a 2-inch inset. So I put my insert in. I also made a special centering point for chucking in. Move my table till I get it in the vertical position. Tighten that down. And I get it lined up with the horizontal position. Snug it down. Double check. We're good. So with that, I know when I use this, it's accurate. So if I want to be 1 inch in on my board, there's my setting. Tighten it down. and we're good to go. The other feature is, I'll take you over to the other side for this. Well, first of all, it's the sanding inserts. So I have them for all different sizes of my sanding drums. I did make 3 drawers, so I have one long one, one short one, and one really long. So if I take this out, I have a channel built in here that runs to the port here, where I hook my shop vac up to. And then, with this thing being all centered, these are all made. Chuck that in. Quick demonstration, I'll turn my shop vac on. Just by having it on, it worked better.